much did I pay? Almost $14. I can't afford this. See, what's nice about this thing, since I don't need the key, I can just leave the bike on while I get gas, because I don't have to take the key out. So I can just leave the bike running, pump the gas up, and then I don't have to shut it off, which means it's not going to cool down at all. And it's nice. And yes, I am joking. I shouldn't have to clarify that I'm joking, but there are a lot of ooh, hello. A 911. There are a lot of very, how do I word this nicely, smooth-brained individuals who don't know, who wouldn't know, I guess, that was a joke, or they would take it seriously, even though it was clearly one. Darn, I wanted to go with the Porsche. Traffic's gonna be pretty different today. I had to go kind of early because it's supposed to get down to 35 degrees tonight, so I wanted to go before it started cooling down. It's in the 50s right now, so not super warm, but warm enough. This is my first time wearing this helmet without a beard. Feels weird. My face is cold compared to normal. What the fuck? Taco riding a 650. I think that was a 650. I wonder why he's a taco. I did not expect to see that today. Huh. Well, anyways, yeah, I have military duties this weekend, so I shaved off the beard, and right now I'm currently sporting a handlebar mustache for the first time, because this is the longest my mustache has ever been, so I figured, why not? Curled it up. Shave it off tomorrow anyways. I kind of want to ride with the taco guy. I feel like that'd be interesting. I'm hoping the traffic's not too bad. I'm just gonna ride to the bank and back today. Gotta make a deposit. It shouldn't be too bad with the road I'm going on, but past 4,200 subscribers like 2 days ago, so I just wanted to say thank you for that. It's really awesome. Like I've said, it feels good to see the channel continuing to grow. It feels kind of like rewarding, but thank you to everyone who subscribed, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Couple nice cars already, and that taco guy, so other bikers. Can't say I was really expecting that, because it's not, like I said, it's not like super warm out. It's kind of nice, like it's sunny, but it's not warm. But I won't complain if we get to see more. Oh, sweet, they finally fixed this road. About time, dude. This was awful for so long. It's actually ironic because today my one short went up about how they blocked it with cones and stuff, and they were doing stuff, and then when I came back like an hour later, all the cones and stuff, everybody was gone, but they did nothing. Like nothing changed at all. And I said that. I was like, they literally didn't even do anything, and someone commented, what do you mean they didn't do anything? You're riding on what they did. And I was like, no, I'm not, because it's been that way for months. Pretty sure I would know. About time they fixed this, though. I hated it. Does that mean they're going to do this side now and even it out? Or are we just going to have one side that's fresh and one side that looks like this? Knowing PA and the area I live in if they do even it out, that'll be done in about a year. Okay, I might have been wrong about the traffic. Seems like I'm gonna be sitting at red lights a lot. I just remembered why that lane is so backed up. It's because of the turning lane up here. Look at that. Such a good design. Next week when I get off work again, as of right now, it's supposed to be in the 70s, so I plan to go riding again. But lately, every time it'll be like colder on my days off than it is on the days I work, or just like overall worse weather. Like yesterday I was off and it was warm, but it was extremely windy, so I didn't go riding. As of right now, it's looking good to go riding next time I have off. So I should get more videos in this year. It's kind of windy today too. I'm getting blown I'm getting blown more than I thought. Like, I didn't think the wind was that strong today. Not the good kind of blown. Sorry. I kind of want to put the stock mirrors back on after I get the bike inspected, because I'm tired of always having to move these ones back to where I can actually see with them. The only thing is I just don't really like the stock mirrors. I don't like how they look, which is unfortunate. They worked, at least. Like, they didn't really move around on me, but they don't look good. Oh, I guess it is Thursday. Thursday is the day they usually have that car meet up at the restaurant that I've been to, what, twice now? I've gone to that one, and it's only a little bit further down the road than my bank. But both times I went, it was pretty disappointing. So I'm not gonna go out of my way to go look for it again, just to be like, oh, this car meet sucked. Not gonna lie, the woman in that sheriff's vehicle was attractive, but I'm going to keep my comments to myself. I've been behaved today. I haven't really been speeding or anything, so no reason for her to stop me. I need in that lane, but I don't want to. I mean, it's not very far. Someone will still cry about it. Now we sit here for 5 minutes. Oh, good, there's a car behind me. That's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to be blinking. I wonder if my turn signals are actually working. I would assume so, but like I just said, that's not supposed to be doing that. I'll have to look into that. But I am at the bank, as you can see. So I'm going to end this one and then record another one on the way home. Thanks for watching. Aw, I missed the other bike. Bummer. Well, thanks for watching. Like I said, I'm going to start a new one in like 30 seconds once this is done. So I'll see you then. Missed the STI too? That's cool. Alright, I'm going to try to catch up with something cool, but I'll see you in the next one. Later.